AI-powered process mining is important. It's about how business processes infused with analytic process insights impact the efficiency and productivity across the organization. AI is critical for the future of process mining. It's about pre-built intelligence. It's about delivering highly accurate and fully automatic diagnostic results. No need to manually search for patterns in process data any longer, and less dependency on data scientists. Business processes are designed to wait for something to happen. A well-designed process means nothing if organizations deliver goods later to their clients as promised. Instead of modeling processes for the future, we should look at as-is data and see how we can improve operational process execution now. Instead of reacting on events, let's turn things around. We call this April, Artificial Process Intelligence. April will help further increase automation rate. April will decrease waste and unnecessary waiting times in business processes. And April will help intelligently manage business processes more effectively. PAFnow's current product generation already comes with some exciting AI capabilities, such as PAF's root cause analyzer. But there are more good news, especially for all the PAFnow and Power BI clients. Since PAFnow is embedded in Microsoft Power BI, everybody can leverage out-of-the-box AI templates and lots of pre-built AI capabilities from Microsoft. PAF's next product generation will be fully AI-driven. April, Artificial Process Intelligence will become PAF's next generation process mining tool. We will take process mining to the next level again.